Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and today I thought I'd show you the Citrus Twist June kit, which has recently arrived. I've taken it out of its outer packaging and that's it. Before I go into the kit though, I thought I'd show you the goodies I got for taking part and winning one of the challenges in the Citrus Twist National Scrapbooking Day, which I think is the last time I scrapbooked actually, which is really bad. But anyway, this is the prize that I won. So I've got these gorgeous stamps, and they're all about food and drinks and cooking up a storm and man versus food and things like that. So they're gorgeous. I love some of these icons and stuff that we've got. And then I also got these phrase stickers in a gorgeous yellow. I'm not sure if you can see them due to packaging, but we've got listen to the nudges, be different, bury them with a smile, surround yourself with tacos, not negativity. So there's some quite nice sayings on there and a quite few little labels as well. So thank you very much for that, Trina at Citrus Twist. I will put those to good use. But now to move on to the June kit. Now I have not even sneaky peek looked at this, so let's start with the papers, and we have 6x8 papers, which is good because I have started on my traveller's notebook, though I've not done much for a while. But we have some 6x8 papers. These are all one-sided. We've got some nice bright colours as well as some nice generic black and white. Oh, I like that somewhere. And we've got like little stars, a nice leaf design, beautiful yellow, another nice, really nice floral, and another nice yellow. We've got some blue stripe. Now this one says Surfside at the beach, but that's got a nice wavy pattern, nice pink, and a nice make your eyes go funny, but a nice design nonetheless, with some pinks and some blues, pinks and purples and blues. And then on the 4x6 cards we've got so grateful for so much and best of the best current faves. Then we have a nice floral design and a nice generic as well. Then we have a little cut apart with some labels, change of plans, a little floral one. So I'm liking those. And then if I can get everything to tip out. So this is the card that came with the kits. It's also, I think it's a 3x4. Yeah, it's a 3x4. So we've got Packed with Love Citrus Twist and then Everyday Perfection. So basically you get like a little bonus card. To go into the 3x4 cards, we've got lovely little ice cream on a nice notebook type print, and love with all you've got. Then I love that one, gorgeous pink heart design, and take time to make your soul happy. I like that one as well. Here's what happened today here with an adventure, a nice floral design, and then a nice card with design on the top or the bottom, whichever way you have it up. And we've got right now, road trips, ice cream, late nights, picnics, movies, afternoon naps. And then another nice design on the back, like this one. Every picture tells a story. And then we've got a nice grid design on the back. We've got a pineapple for anybody that wants one. And then we've got Food Friends Sunshine. Got a nice yellow stripe and that nice design again down the side this time. We've got nice little triangles in dots. Not sure if you should be able to pick that up. And then a nice sort of grid paper type design. Oh, what a wonderful thing life is. We've got Keep the Fun Alive and an arrow with some space for journaling. That Moment When, and brand new experience. And then we have a couple of speech bubbles and inspired by all around me. So we've got some really nice 3x4 cards there. To move on to the bigger things, we've got cardstock stickers this time. We've got the biggest news, not enough hours in the day, time to eat. This right here, I'd rather forget, current view, things like that. And then we have even more on the back. So on the back we have together in the beauty, embrace the moment, what we watched, and we have some times as well. So that'd be quite nice to put some times on some photos. Embrace the moment, in the moment, etc. So we've got those. Then we have the puffy stickers, and these are in a nice pink in that sort of New Times Romany type font, but a nice pink colour. Then we have some puffy stickers. So we've got some nice blocky puffy stickers, some nice gorgeous hearts as well, but we've got habits, less, more, my day. We've got things like mindset, this day, he said, me time, she said, not in the plan. And then we've got things like starting new, deep breaths, not so special, take action, starting over. So quite a few nice different sayings in there. And it keeps coming. Then we have the stamps. So we have date and time, which ties in with us having the little time things there. Got coffee and sunshine, foods, friends, sunshine, summer loading, daily adventure, go on road trips, and incident report, just in case something happens. Then we have a little goodie bag. So if I can get these to come out. Oh, we have some little glittery hearts and stars, and these are like little foam ones. So if you can see those, but the little foam glitter hearts. The glitter's not rubbing off, which is always good. And we've got a baggie of those. So see if I can get those down. We get quite a few in there. There's quite a few that don't want to come out, but I'll fight with those later, but you do get quite a lot. And then last but never least, we've got the die cuts pack, and we've got an image back on the back of the die cuts, but I do always show you what we have. So just to go through these, we have some florals, gorgeous little florals as well as big ones, little tiny little ribbon tags that you can tuck in places. Always seeing this, undivided attention, more florals and tabs. We've got my love with a little notebook, and you can pop out the word my love. Maybe tomorrow, labels and hearts, more flowers. Trying again. We have eat, cooking up a storm, pig out, it's time to eat. Click art, take more photos, some more florals. A good thing, we ate this and it was good. Good friends. We've got some labels and some bigger labels as well. We've got not again, more florals. So much love for you. We've got a little Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. A little sort of punched out. It's got little punch out holes there. I'm not sure if you can see them. Doesn't seem to want to focus on it. But we do have some little punch out holes on there. You could always tie some ribbon round. We've got some diamonds. And get hold of some more. We've got drink, yum yum, Sunday, stand up and be seen, good eats, more florals, more hearts. We've got well hello weekend, be nice to plants, happy little moment, you're one of a kind, yum yum. Oh, another heart fell out, noted, and another tag. I am liking the tags at the moment. We've got some more little tuck-in labels, big things, special delivery, Love Story, Thursday. Got a little label and stories happened, and it just keeps coming. So we've got a bad thing, meant to be, another little wood grain tag, Monday, view from here, little things, Tuesday. We've got a heart, another little sort of ribbony type strip, Stranger Things, From Where I Stand, a day spent wandering. We've got more hearts, snack, and if I can get hold of the rest of them, they're falling everywhere. We've got lunch, dinner, still trying this one thing, unbridled optimism resides here. Is that that's the inside of something. And we've got Wednesday, another little ribbon, Saturday, breakfast. So we've got breakfast, lunch and dinner. Days of the week, I think we've got them all, but I've lost track. We've got hearts, happening here and now. It's got space for a date, another flower, and there's Friday. So absolutely gazillions, as always, of little die cut bits and shapes. If I can get it to focus on there. Get all of those goodies in this pack. So yeah, that is my kit for June. I don't think I've even opened May yet, but I'm hoping to get some scrapping done now and get some of these goodies used and get some videos up for you guys, because I've been doing diamond painting and I got sort of sidetracked for a couple of weeks. Oh, and I've just found Perfect Imperfection, also stuck to the die cut sheet. So there you go. There's even more than I don't even realise there's some missing. But yeah, I hope you'll join me and see what I get to create with this kit. And thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.